Welcome back. In this tip, let's look at a little more advanced scenario of argument capture. Let's imagine that a method is called multiple times. How do you do argument capture? That's basically what we will focus on in this specific step. Let's say in this system under test, it's some string 1 and some string 2. Let's rename the method as multiple argument capturing, and we would want to capture all the values that are sent to this specific method. The way we can do that is by saying get all values. So this would actually return a list back, all values, and I can say all values dot get of 0 is some string of 1. We can assert that, as well as we can assert that get values of 1 is some string 2. There is a small problem with this test which we'll find out when we run it. Cool, right? So it's failing. Which line? Verify mock add captor.capture. What we are doing in here is verify mock, right? So by default, we know that when I call a verify mock, it checks if that method is called once. But actually what we are doing in here is we are calling it twice. So I'll say times 2. So verify that add method is called 2 times and capture both the arguments. Let's run this right now. Cool. The test succeeds and we are now able to capture what are the different arguments that are passed in multiple calls to this method. So in the add method, the first time it was some string 1, second time it was add some string 2, and we are able to assert that out. One of the important things to notice is to keep this tip simple, we are actually directly calling the mock methods in here. But actually, in real world scenarios, you might be calling a business method with the data. So you might be calling business method with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And inside the logic of that specific method on the mock might be called with the sum of those. So it might be 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. So here you might be sending in the data, and here you might be checking the result. Until next tip, bye-bye.